Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Neuronation brain training app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Neuronation is a brain training app designed to help users improve memory, attention, processing speed, and problem-solving skills through structured cognitive exercises. The app offers personalized training plans that adapt to your performance, ensuring each session targets your strengths and weaknesses. It's available on iOS, Android, and web, and provides detailed progress reports to help track improvements over time. The app's main feature is its collection of science-inspired exercises, including memory tasks, logic puzzles, focus drills, and reaction time challenges. Each workout is short but effective, making it suitable for daily practice. Neuronation also includes difficulty adjustments, user-friendly visuals, and performance analytics that show how your cognitive skills develop over weeks and months. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in real use. Many users appreciate its clean interface, variety of exercises, and personalized training plans. The app is praised for helping users feel mentally sharper, more focused, and better at memory-related tasks. Consistent use appears to create noticeable improvements, especially for students, professionals, and older adults wanting to keep their minds active. However, there are some drawbacks. The free version offers limited exercises, and most advanced features require a subscription. Some users feel the difficulty levels can be inconsistent, and a few mention repetitive tasks over time. Additionally, like any brain training app, results vary depending on how regularly the program is used. In summary, the Neuronation app may be worth using if you want structured brain training workouts, personalized cognitive challenges, and progress tracking to boost mental performance. However, if you're not interested in subscription-based cognitive training or prefer traditional puzzles and offline methods, it might not feel essential for you. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.